Hello everyone, this is Shreya from Formula for Marketing, and today we are interviewing Miss Ilma Baig. She is a certified makeup artist with experience of 5 years. Now she is a freelancer, works globally. Today interview's topic is how to create content for social media for freelancer profile. So, ma'am, thank you very much for joining us today. And first question I would like to ask you is how you started and how you came to this point.
I started 5 years ago. Actually, I just ended up my school 5 years ago. And after that, I thought that I should do, like, I was always interested in makeup. So I did my makeup courses from different makeup artists in Delhi and also traveled Dubai for the same. So then I started working as a freelancing, like, in between the course, my the teacher only used to like give us new models and people, new clients. So that is how I started working. And then I had my own clients after some time, and till now I'm still in the process of gaining more clients.
So,
Yeah.
as we had seen, you have a amazing social media content, uh, and on your social media platforms. Can you tell us about ideas for your content creation?
Yeah, actually, the first thing is you should always do something different. Like, not what everyone is doing, you should always copy the same thing. You should always have your own style of makeup, have your own theme. That if it's Diwali coming, you should always upload a Diwali makeup look, a Holi makeup look, like for every Eid makeup look. So that is how you get popular. You come in the explore page and always use good hashtags, and this is all what makes you popular in this field. As there's so much of competition, you should also promote your work.
So, for your content creation, what type of software do you use
Not
or
any
app?
such software. No, I just edit my all the movies through iMovie and Pixart also. So that is all I use, and then I upload it on Instagram. I like record it from my Instagram, like iPhone camera only.
Okay. So, how do you collaborate with other content creators to get more views?
Always, write, like, if you're copying the content, copying the picture, copying the makeup style, you should always write inspired from, so that even the other will post it, the other person is going to post it and will go through your work.
How do you find the trends that you need to follow on your for your content creation on social media?
Always follow what is going on that you are comfortable doing. If someone is doing makeup while dancing and you're not good at dancing, so you should not do that. You should always have your own style and make up your own, you know just show yourself, not just copy everyone.
What type of equipment do you use for a content creation? Your phone only, or like you use a camera or
I
DSLR?
I use my phone camera. I also use a ring light for the good lightning and a shadow box also, so that the and you should always have a good background and no noise. You should be comfortable in your own space where you're doing your work. Apart from anything, it's not necessary that you should always have an iPhone 12 or a good DSLR camera to start up, because even I started with iPhone 6 camera, and then kept going on and on.
So, any advice on how do you grow your followers? Any secret or advice also?
Yeah, so all what I can advise is you should always promote your work through Instagram. There are good advertisements, and you should always choose your audience. Like, what I do is I choose a age group, and also I want to go more into the boys or girls. So I always use the girls as they are more interested into makeup. And also you should all, like, don't stop posting, always keep posting, be active on social media, ask your friends to promote your work, and keep up with everything that is new on Instagram. You should always be Not only Instagram, even Facebook, link your accounts together so that whatever you're posting on Instagram automatically goes to Facebook also, and you gain your audience there also.
Anything else, ma'am, you would like to share with us, a memory with a client, or any special moment behind your work till now, as you have worked in this field for last 5 years?
There's no such special moment. You always get a special moment with every client you meet. So the best thing is when they like your work and they are happy with what you have done. So in this field, there's so much of competition now. There are so many people, so many makeup artists, and everyone is doing their good work. Like no one is very bad at it, and everyone is learning. So as there's so much of competition, you must have your own style of makeup. You should know what you're doing, and you should be, proud of what you're doing. Always be happy and be very polite to your clients. Always, ask them what are they needing for their makeup for their big day, what they want for their makeup, not what you will have to give them. Always enhance their features, never overdo anything. So that is the only thing I think you need to have. Be on time and make the client very happy and satisfied. Don't just end up doing your work because it was a work. Do it because that's your choice. That's what you chose for your life, and that's what you enjoy doing. Show it in your work.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much for joining us today for the interview.